I've never done an unboxing video before,
no, Eli,
but now we're doing it.
I thought this was going up on my channel.
Okay.
Okay.
Aye.
Anyway, a box.
Yes.
Let's open it.
He's got his trusty knife.
Yep. I guess
Just go with it.
this joke didn't go well.
So the box is his new... Wait, do you want it to be a surprise or...
Yeah, I want it to be a surprise.
Oh.
Box.
Yes.
Okay. Opening the box now. Let's see what it looks like. What's inside the mystery box? Ooh, box stuff. That's my favorite.
That's my favorite too.
Also, P4. What does that even mean? P4? Player 4?
I doubt it.
This isn't really for 4 players.
Oh, look.
And here we go. The Predator lineup.
Look at
This
that.
one is Helios 3. It's got a bunch of barcodes. I don't know what they mean.
Gaming laptop and stuff.
It's got a handle on it.
Predator. Yeah.
Predator Helios 300.
Nice. Let me just get a... Good there?
Good. Okay, there we go.
And...
There's... Oh, it slides out.
Yes.
Okay, so we got...
Let's take this out. I'll hold this up and open
Got some styrofoam.
Okay, yeah, styrofoam, that's good.
Wow, just like... Ooh, that makes it cool.
Yeah.
But not really. Okay, now.
Got it?
Jesus, this is heavy.
I'll hold it. There we go. Ooh!
It's a third
Looks
box.
so good.
But Eli, we got a third box.
I know, right? That's the best thing. Okay, what's in there, Owen?
This envelope, it has something inside it with the Predator logo. Because this laptop is literally going to eat me. This is my last video.
Yep.
Predator Premium Service. We got the we got the 2-year warranty?
Well, it just came with a 2-year warranty.
Oh, okay.
It's not like if you drop it, break it, it's like it should.
I know, but I thought that was extra on Amazon.
Yeah, I didn't do that.
Is there anything else in the box? In the bigger box? Yeah, there's cables.
More
and stuff.
styrofoam.
No, there's cables. and
No, but there's
stuff.
more styrofoam.
Yeah, but there's also
Look,
more cables.
styrofoam.
Yeah, I know, man. Yeah. Styrofoam.
Okay, I'll get out the cables. I want to save the laptop for last because it's very cool.
I bet it is. I don't even
This
know.
would make a great coaster. It's like really thick.
Yeah,
And
sure.
not exactly very bendable.
Yeah, it's like
I
cardstock.
can't even try to
It's
rip
like
it.
Premium cardstock. Let's see what we can make with the styrofoam. Art. That is what I call art. Look at that. Okay, so the abstract art is over there now. We took it apart.
Yeah, okay, back from making the cookies.
To the cables!
Cables! This is a brick! I can build a house with enough of these.
Ah!
Wait, no, it's got a hole in it.
What?
Dang it, now it's useless.
Ooh,
Okay.
skizzers.
Yeah, but we also kind of need that. Well,
Wanna do the honors?
okay. Well, I think I should do the honors.
Yes. You could just, like, actually use some, like, scissors if you wanted.
No.
There, you got it. Okay. You ready? Oh! It's upside
the
down.
bottom.
Yeah, that is the bottom. Yay! Ooh, yeah, plastic. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Ooh. Oh. Is it heavy?
I'd say so.
Is it
And
thick?
that's cold.
That is thick. That is cold. Oh, yeah, that is pretty cold. Ooh,
Boom.
look at that.
Predator, it's going to eat you.
Yes.
Nom.
That's going to be a thumbnail.
Oh, there's the knife.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Open it. Yeah.
all these features.
Look at
Got
this.
Wireless priority, faster data transit. I have no idea what that means.
Eli,
What
hand me
the
the
heck is
3-prong.
Predator Sense?
Huh?
Hand me the plug-in, the 3-prong plug-in.
Yes.
See that? Full HD 1080?
Yeah.
Yep. Different from any laptop we have ever had.
Okay, the specs.
Okay, so this thing has a Intel Core i7, GTX 1060, the 60GB model. I have no idea how much RAM it has. I probably should. 16 gigs of RAM. It's got DDR4, whatever that means. True Harmony, what is that?
I'm pretty sure this laptop is better than my computer, and that's a little bit depressing.
Yep. Well, you know what they say.
But how does it?
More espresso, less depresso.
Ooh.
That's some. Ooh, those are some keys. These are not keys. These are keys.
Okay, so we're plugging it in.
It's not this side.
It's not that side.
The other side.
Okay, it's the other side. That's a little odd. It's not that odd.
A light lit up.
Ooh, a light lit up?
A red one. Wow.
Ah, I couldn't even see that. I was just putting the camera there.
Also, look at this super disjointed enter. Oh wait, no, that's the num. This has a numpad on it.
Yeah, because it's thick. Oh, wait. Look at the size.
Ooh, look at that Ethernet port. Yeah, this thing.
That's true.
Ooh, that actually feels really nice. I'm probably never going to use this, but it feels really good.
Oh. Ooh.
Well, if you wanted the fastest internet you could get,
Fastest internet possible.
you would get a wired cable
Yeah.
and sit right there and
So,
plug it to the router.
You ready to
Or
turn
actually
it
having the router
on?
cable.
Okay, here we go.
That's a little different. The power key is not the. You don't have to hold it.
Ooh.
Ooh, it lit up. It has
It's
like,
got a-
I don't know if you guys can see it, has like a little
Yeah,
backlit.
it's got a small little backlighting effect.
Yeah, ooh, you can really see
Ooh,
it
look at
from
this.
way.
Look,
Like that. We
The
can't
screen.
even see it that well. Dude, look at it from this angle. No. Look at it from this angle.
Whoa.
You can see all that red
Ooh, little
backlit.
WASD that actually glow.
Oh, yeah.
Crap.
The cookies. Yeah, there's one of them.
Getting those cookies off the sheets and
Hi there.
filling them.
I'm for
Pumpkin oatmeal.
I'm here to help.
Cortana, why? You are not here to help. You were sent here from a faraway
Have your
land.
PC ready for all you plan to do.
Go away, Cortana.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
I am using my
If you'd like me to
voice.
stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Wrong. I am using
Need
my
a
voice.
touch screen reader.
Please
Press
go
the Windows
away.
Control and enter keys.
Cortana, why?
To enable
Several days later.
Microsoft.
By the way, I kept it for the camera.
Yes, but also just Microsoft. No, stop.
By the way, just
I don't
so
want
you
to use
know.
Edge. Oh wait, I have to. Just a
Oh, look at that that screen. Okay.
1 second.
Yes! Yes! Chrome! Okay, so that was the end of that, the unboxing. We're just setting stuff up now, but yeah, it's a laptop. We'll get a mouse and stuff. It's a good laptop. Yeah, it has a Core i7, which is very nice.
And GTX 1060,
Which
6
is
gig.
a solid choice.
16 gigabytes of
So
RAM.
yeah, and 16 gigs of RAM, that's more RAM than my computer has. So yeah, that's that. It's awesomely backlit. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I shouldn't be telling you this because it's not my video. But yeah.